Hi, welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're reviewing the Amazfit Balance 2, smartwatch that aims to blend health tracking with style and advanced features. It's meant for users who want both smart functions and reliable fitness insights. After spending a good amount of time with it, here's everything you need to know. The Balance 2 has a clean and premium design. It doesn't try to be flashy, but still stands out with a modern and professional look. The watch case feels light, yet sturdy. It's made of aluminum alloy, and the strap is soft and skin-friendly. It fits well on the wrist and can be worn all day without discomfort. The build quality is solid, and the device feels durable enough for both everyday use and workouts. The bezels are thin, which adds to its sleek appearance. Comes in different colors to suit different styles. Overall, the watch looks classy and doesn't feel bulky. The display is bright and colorful. It uses an AMOLED screen, and everything from text to animations looks sharp. The touch response is smooth. It's visible even under sunlight, which is great for outdoor use. The always-on display is useful too. Interface is clear, icons are large enough, and the layout is easy to follow. You can also choose from many watch faces to match your mood or outfit. The glass on top is strong and resists scratches well. In daily use, the Balance 2 runs smoothly. It's powered by Zepp OS 3.0, which is clean, fast, and light. Swiping through menus is quick, and apps open without delay. It handles tracking, syncing, and notifications efficiently. It doesn't lag, and transitions are fluid. The performance is consistent throughout the day. There's no stutter, even when switching between health metrics, maps, or settings. It keeps everything flowing nicely. It also connects fast to your phone and syncs data reliably. The processor and software are well optimized for a smartwatch experience. Software is where this watch shines. Zepp OS 3.0 brings in useful apps and tools. You get a full range of health tracking, including heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, and sleep stages. The sleep tracking is accurate and offers detailed insights. The watch also supports PI scoring, which gives you an idea of how active you've been overall. Another useful feature is body composition tracking, which gives feedback on muscle and fat ratio. It even offers mental readiness scores to help track your stress and recovery. The UI is neat, and notifications are easy to read. You also get voice assistant support. Zepp Pay and NFC make it easier to use for daily tasks. Customization is also deep. From widgets to watch faces and app shortcuts, you can tweak it all to suit your needs. It feels smart, not just in name but also in real-world use. Battery life is impressive. The Balance 2 lasts about 14 days with moderate use. If you use all the features actively, it can still go 7 to 10 days easily. In battery saver mode, it can stretch even more. Charging is simple with the magnetic dock. It takes around 2 hours for a full charge. The standby time is great, and it doesn't drain fast overnight. Even with GPS and health tracking on, the battery performs well. You don't have to worry about charging it every day. It's reliable and long-lasting. When it comes to fitness, the Balance 2 does a good job. It supports over 150 sports modes. Whether it's walking, cycling, swimming, or strength training, it tracks it accurately. The GPS is fast and reliable. It locks on quickly and provides precise tracking during outdoor runs. It also supports route import and real-time navigation, which is helpful for hikers. Heart rate zones, VO2 max, and training load stats are all available. These are great for people serious about workouts. The AI fitness coach gives tips and feedback based on your performance. It's like having a trainer on your wrist. It's not just a fitness tracker, it's a smart training assistant. Audio feedback during workouts is handy too. You can get spoken summaries of your performance through Bluetooth headphones. While the watch doesn't have a speaker for calls or music playback, you can control your phone's music easily. The vibration alerts are strong and clear, ensuring you don't miss any notifications or alarms. It does what's needed without being overcomplicated. Connectivity is strong. It connects via Bluetooth and supports Wi-Fi. You get real-time notifications for calls, messages, and apps. ZepPay via NFC works in some regions for contactless payments. Their support for Alexa and voice recognition is decent. You can control smart home devices, set reminders, or check the weather easily. The app experience on your phone is also smooth. Zep app syncs well and displays detailed health stats in a clean layout. In terms of pricing, the Balance 2 is well positioned. It offers features that rival more expensive watches, but at a lower price. You get premium design, great health tracking, and smart features all packed in. It's a solid choice for people who want both fitness and lifestyle benefits. The value it brings is hard to beat at its price point. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone who just wants a stylish, capable smartwatch, it delivers. Let's look at the pros. The build is premium and lightweight. The display is sharp and easy to read. Battery life is long and dependable. Health tracking is accurate and deep. Fitness features are rich. GPS is fast and precise. Software is smooth and you get useful. Smart tools like NFC, voice assistant, and sleep tracking. On the downside, it lacks a speaker for calls. ZepPay still has limited support in many countries. And the app library is not as wide as some bigger platforms like Apple or Wear OS. But overall, the experience is polished and reliable. To sum it up, the Amazfit Balance 2 is a smartwatch that balances style, performance, and fitness beautifully. It may not be the flashiest smartwatch out there, but it's one of the most practical and complete ones for its price. It's reliable, comfortable, and full of smart and health-focused features. If you're looking for a wearable that supports your daily life, workouts, and well-being, without needing to charge it every day, the Balance 2 is worth considering. It's smart in all the right ways. Thanks for watching this review on Tap Tech. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.